Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Nuke, and this is going to be your morning watch list for Wednesday, January 16th. And what we're going to look at first is going to be the SPY. This one's going to be a little bit different day than what I've been doing. I'm going to try and keep it well under 5 minutes. SPY's been chopping around. It had a pretty solid day yesterday, and it picked a direction and basically held it up until 2/3 of the way through where it crashed and then it recovered. But it had a solid green candle, and it's still putting us in a spot where we're sandwiched between the 50 and the 9 and the 20. So what are we looking at for today? All night long, it's basically held this slow uptrend, and that's kind of in line with where it was at yesterday as well. So unless it breaks that uptrend, I'm kind of leaning towards having a good day today. How much of a good day? Well, that's up for anybody's interpretation. And what I'm looking at is the 100% extension to the high side would put us just above the 50 at 21 or 261.95. 50% extension 261.40 would put us right at the 50 EMA on the daily. Our pre-market high is 260.88, which is just a hair bit higher than yesterday's price, but not enough to make a difference. Midpoint for the pre-market action is sitting here at 260.30. I'll get it on in a second here. And then actually, you know what? I should just come here, huh? Pre-market low is at 259.67. The 50% extension to the downside is at 259.13, which has good solid support there. I can really see that holding. And then the 100% extension is 258.58, which puts us basically below any solid point from yesterday. And then if we came all the way down to the... Yeah, that ain't going to work out either.
Sorry, guys. Tino was slacking this morning. He was supposed to call me. He didn't.
Next up, what we're going to talk about, it's a normal day, the biggies, Netflix, Apple, Facebook. But we're just going to hit a few highlights. Goldman Sachs, they had a hell of a run-up out of nowhere, and then it's quickly bleeding off, but now it's finding some ground. So you might see this run back up a little bit. JP Morgan, right? JP Morgan here. It had a hell of a day yesterday, and then all night long it's just kind of sold back off. It's got the resistance of the 50 above it, the 9 and the 20 right here. So, yeah, it's got lots of potential today, but it's also one of those tickers where I just don't like dealing with them. It's a $100 stock, and the damn thing only ever moves about $2.68. So for me, I can get way better service than that out of something small as Tillery, or Microsoft is up $3. Well, shit, in terms of 268, CGC at $41 is currently moving $2.9 on average. So yeah, JP Morgan can suck it. It's just they got news coming out, so it's moving. Just wanted to show y'all this Fiserv, whoever they are. They started dropping off the map today. What's interesting with them? They're sandwiched between the 9 and the 20 and the 50 and the 200. So, tucked neatly in there. Citibank, I hate playing the banks, but they had a hell of a day yesterday. Now they're consolidating. This is abnormally large for them, but they're a little bit better than some of the other options, right? But currently they broke out of that mold and they're above the 50, headed up towards the 200. So it's a beautiful day. I'm probably not going to play them, but I will keep my eyes on them. Bank of America, God, I can't stand it. But it's okay. It had a good day yesterday. It's on its way up. And the important part is it finally broke the 50 and it got up on top. AMD, my devil darling, she's doing okay. Not great, but okay. And where she's at is still consolidating, but we're above the 50, above the 9, above the 20, and above the 200. We just haven't gotten to the point where we're able to get the 9 and the 20 above the 50. So, we'll have to see, right? LYG for really cheap. I don't play these, but it had a good day. It's come back up. It's over the 50. Snap is on the way down, but is over the 50. So, and then PCG still selling off. So, that's what it's looking like, guys. Me personally, I'm going to have my eyes on the FANG, the Apple, Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Nvidia, those guys. And I'll probably also have my eyes on like CGC and AMD. But I'm going to slow it down today. I think we might have a good day. I'm still optimistic. I think the SPY's probably still going to be headed up to the upside. But I think by the end of this week, we're going to be rounding out. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, good luck and stay green. Don't give any back. If you like this, love it, send us some comments, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and just trying to get to the point where we're validating what you guys are really using and what you're not using. Anyway, I'll see you this afternoon.